Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is Manshera, which is most popular for its hospitality. Manshera district is situated in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is the second largest and the province, one of many beautiful districts of Pakistan. It has a huge population. The district is an old place where there are settlements dated back to medieval times. There were many civilizations before the introduction of Islam. There was Buddhism and Hinduism before Islam. The people are very friendly and very good at hospitality. The population consists many young people. Nearly half the population is below 20 years. The people of Manshera focus on getting education, with the overwhelming majority of male population getting education, whereas the trend of getting education is less in female population. Manshera is better developed than other in the province. There is proper transport system. People from neighboring areas come here to go to the other places. Basically, it serves as a bridge from traveling to other areas. The people of Manshera are fond of sports. The most played sports include horse riding, polo, shooting are the most popular among all sports. Other traditional sports which are occasionally played include wrestling, cockfighting, ram fighting, hunting with the help of dogs, and hiking. Polo is the traditional game and very large crowd come to see the Shandor festival in the mid of summer. There is a special thrill for skydivers and hikers. Manshera has breathtaking beauty, but unfortunately, it is located at a very vulnerable location which is prone to several natural disasters. The earthquake of 2005 nearly destroyed the whole city. Thousands of people died in the disaster, and there was a natural disaster was flood of 2010 which also affected the city. There are a number of things in Manshera district which make it unique from other. It is famous for its historical places and beauty. One of the most beautiful places is Kagan, which is famous for its pleasant weather and beautiful scenery. The most famous tourist spots are Balakot, Kunha River, Batakundi, Naran, Kagan, Museda Masala, Lolupatsar, Dodupatsar, Safru Mulug, and Babusar Top. We talk about the language of Manshera's people. The people of Manshera speak different languages, which include Pashto, Gojri, Hindko, and Kashmiri. The majority areas speak Hindko, Gojri, and Pashto, whereas Urdu is understood throughout the district. A small majority of population speaks Kashmiri and Koistani, mostly by the people who inhabited from these areas to Manshera. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Have a blessed day.